Hello everyone, I'm Rejon. So today I'm going to show you how to fix sprayed leg problems of baby birds. So before starting this process, I want to talk about why sprayed legs problem happen. So sometimes it may happen for not having proper nesting arrangements inside the box, or when only one baby hatches out of 4 eggs and parents sit up on that little chick, which is also a reason for a sprayed leg because of overweight, or else it may happen due to insufficiency of calcium. So now I am going to show you how to basically fix this sprayed leg problem. So you can see that I took a powder puff. So you can purchase it from any super shop or cosmetic shop. I prefer powder puff because you can see that it is very soft. So at first I'm cutting the excess part of this puff, and I have to make 2 holes. So at first I make a hole and take measurements of the natural position of its leg and make another hole. So you can see that I already make 2 holes. So now I'm going to put his leg inside these holes. So now I put one of his legs inside the puff and do the same with another leg. So you can see that it is very easy to do. But you have to do this before 20 days age of a baby bird, and you have to place this puff above his leg joint. So if you face this problem, follow this method. I think this will help you all. So that's all for today, and keep supporting. Thank you all.